Yes, Girish.
Okay, 1 second.
So in this video, so we will show you how to create a Amazon Web Services account. So free tier model. So to create a AWS free tier account, you should have some information like a phone number, dedicated phone number, email address, and credit card or debit card, which is a Visa or MasterCard should be needed. Even the card should be international banking transaction should be enabled because of Amazon is not an India company, is a United States company. Because of that, the transactions, everything will be coming from the United States. So card should doesn't have any permissions to validate from abroad. So Visa and Master are internationally certified merchant cards are available. With that, we can able to create an account. So to create AWS account, first you need to log into aws.amazon.com. Why it is not reaching the website? Amazon. Okay, E is extra. Amazon spelling is wrong. Enter.
Yeah.
So
Create account.
here you can create a get free account. Click on get free, get started for free. The below yellow button is there. Click on that. So now AWS free tier you can create here below. Click create a free account. So now here we can provide your email address. And AWS account name, you can provide your full name or maybe same email address, the username you can provide. That's your wish. Click verify email address. They will send one OTP to your email. So before that, you need to check you are human and the security check. The character should be right down below the box. Z3XB47. Click verify email address. You will get one verification code to your requested Gmail account.
I'm just checking. Just
Yeah, you can check that and you can update this. In case if you're not receiving OTP, the verification code, you can click resend code. Maybe if you're giving a wrong email address, maybe definitely the code will not send to the correct email address.
email address is correct. 1 second. I received a new one once. I got email from Amazon Web Services.
Okay.
Okay, and I go there. It says register. Okay. Let me pull that here once I'll show you. Okay, I got that security. See, I got. Are you able to see my screen?
Yes.
I,
Go
I
back to
don't.
the inbox.
1 second, spam folder, spam.
Go to the inbox, please.
I got it in spam.
Spam, huh?
Yeah,
Below.
yeah. Like
Not that one.
not that one. Down one more mail is there.
Oh, okay, okay.
AWS
Mm.
account already
Already
exists.
exist.
So thank you for stating the new AWS account creation setup is already have account. So I think with the same name, your account is already created.
Okay.
Yes. So better can give a different email address.
Can I give a
So better can
company
click
email
that not
address?
you, not you. So that's a same name will be showing, right? You can change that name. Maybe different email address you can provide.
Is that okay if I?
No, don't give company names. Don't give company names. You can give any other Gmail account.
Oh, I have only one.
Only one account.
Yeah.
Very, very rare people like you. I have 10 Gmail accounts.
Mm, This thing. What's
Better can
what
create
shall
a
I
one
do?
more account for you.
See.
Okay, Gmail quickly. Better sign out first and create a new account. Because if you're creating with your company ID right now, so maybe going
Mm.
forward, your company will be sponsoring to register again with the company main account, then will be become problem. Okay,
Okay.
so you can create a new account. If you want, you can stop the screen share and you can complete the activity. No problem.
Ah, Yes.
You should not give underscore. No, no, at the rate also you should not give. At the rate, you should not give.
Oh, okay, okay, okay. I'll take this, which is available. I'll make a note of this.
Okay, no problem.
I
So have you registered with the same phone number previously with Amazon?
yes, I think so.
So better can give any secondary number you have, okay?
Yeah.
When you're entering that. Even your bank card also, maybe another card you can provide for creating. Huh?
Okay, one second.
Once you're ready, don't create an account. Please let me know. I will start recording 1 second. Okay.
Ah, yes, I'll do.